Let me tell you about how we helped an expat couple release equity from their UK rental property to cover their new deposit on their new family home in the UK. So what's the background? Well, Priya and Ahmed were working overseas in Dubai and they owned a buy-to-let flat in London. Now they wanted to buy a new home for their own family use for the wife and kids to return to back in the UK for the children's schooling. But they faced the challenge. They didn't have the deposit needed in cash savings and they thought they were going to have to wait for several years to build that up. But what they did have was equity in their rental property. So after speaking to us, we arranged a remortgage on their buy-to-let property. We released funds sufficient for a 20% deposit on the new property. And then we got them a second mortgage on the second property up to 80% loan to value. They were able to secure a home in the school catchment area they wanted and avoiding having to pay rent while saving the deposit. So what's the key? It's always good to speak with a specialist broker to explore all the options and to see if there's a solution outside of what you may think possible. Do you want to explore some similar solutions? Why not follow us on the socials, click on our quick quote link, or you're free to book a free discovery call. And remember, big moves start with small steps, and I'm here when you're ready.